Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Soundcore P20i. And before we're starting, I want to show you that I customized the gestures. So I changed all of the gestures for the left one and right one earbuds because I think it's much better than what they have by default, so I recommended to use it also. And let's starting. You can play and pause the song by press and hold on your right earphone. So just press and hold, and as you can see I pause the song and I press and hold again. Now, and I should play a song. I don't know why it's working right now. Let's move. To increase the volume, you should press one time on your right earbud. So you just press, I guess I should play song. You just press and you increase the volume, and again, and you increase the volume again. And to lower the volume, just press one time on your left earbud. So I'm press and press again. To play next track, just press and hold, or just double press on your right earbud. 1, 2. Here we go. And to play previous track, double tap on your left earbud. 1, 2. Cool. Now, if you press and hold on your left earbud, you will call a Siri. And as you can see, it works. Siri is awake. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbud. 1, 2. And I answer the call, and to finish the call, make a double press again. Here we go. And you can reject a call by press and hold on your left or right earbud. And as you can see, I reject the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!